We are the Caldeira Institute, a private non-profit institution dedicated to fostering the Brazil's innovation ecosystem and entrepreneurial environment. With 22,000 square meters located in a strategic area of Porto Alegre, the former textile factories of entrepreneur A.J. Renner have been repurposed. 2 boilers brought from Europe in 1918 now provide space for over 470 companies, institutions, startups, and enthusiasts of the new economy in a sphere that blends past and future, creating an environment of collaboration and permanent interaction with over 450 activities involving approximately 330,000 people per year. Founded by 42 major companies in 2019, we are members of EASP, the world's largest innovation ecosystem institution. We aim to be a hub of global reach and relevance, and thus we have built a network of international partnerships. We aspire to be the gateway for initiatives and entrepreneurs in Latin America, as well as a bridge for entrepreneurs seeking internationalization. Consequently, we understand the challenge and the importance of nurturing new talents. The Caldeira Campus, the educational platform of the Institute, has already raised awareness among thousands of young people from public schools about new opportunities in the new economy through partnerships with big tech companies and educational institutions. In the Geração Caldeira program, which focuses on employability, hundreds of students have already been trained and integrated into the workforce. And this is just the beginning. We aim to build a vibrant business community with a high capacity for collaboration and readiness to compete in an increasingly dynamic context. We want the 4th District to be a convergence center for entrepreneurs, business leaders, and technology and innovation enthusiasts as vectors of transformation in our society. We want to bring people, ideas, and opportunities close together. Caldeira Institute. Connections that accelerate innovation.